Every year, millions of earthquakes occur worldwide. Some are so minor that no one even notices, but others are powerful enough to flatten an entire city in mere seconds. Just like the devastating earthquake in Japan in 2011, or the catastrophic tremors in Turkey in 2023. These quakes don't just destroy homes and roads, they can trigger tsunamis, landslides, and other deadly consequences. Today, we will uncover 10 crucial facts about earthquakes, things everyone must know to protect themselves and their loved ones when nature unleashes its fury. Be sure to watch until the end, because we will reveal life-saving survival tips for when an earthquake strikes. Let's get started. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic movements. The Earth's surface is not a single solid piece, but is divided into massive plates called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, and when they collide, slide past, or pull away from each other, earthquakes occur. The San Andreas Fault in California is a prime example of a tectonic plate boundary where frequent earthquakes occur. Millions of earthquakes happen every year. Did you know that the Earth shakes thousands of times daily? Most of these earthquakes are too small to be felt, but some can be catastrophic. According to the USGS, about 500,000 earthquakes happen each year, but only around 100,000 are noticeable, and fewer than 1,000 cause significant damage. The strongest earthquake ever recorded was 9.5 magnitude. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded struck Chile in 1960, measuring 9.5 on the Richter scale. It triggered a massive tsunami that reached as far as Hawaii, the Philippines, and even Japan. The 1960 Valdivia earthquake caused devastating destruction and thousands of deaths. Underwater earthquakes can cause tsunamis. When an earthquake occurs under the ocean, it can displace huge amounts of water, creating giant waves known as tsunamis. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake triggered a tsunami that killed over 230,000 people across multiple countries. Earthquakes can last from a few seconds to several minutes. Some earthquakes are quick jolts, while others can shake the ground for minutes. The longer an earthquake lasts, the more damage it can cause. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan lasted nearly 6 minutes and led to a massive tsunami. Some cities are more prone to earthquakes. Certain cities are located near fault lines, making them more vulnerable to earthquakes. San Francisco, USA, Tokyo, Japan, and Istanbul, Turkey, are all built on or near major fault lines. Scientists cannot yet predict earthquakes accurately. Despite advances in technology, scientists still cannot predict exactly when and where an earthquake will occur. However, they can identify high-risk zones. The Pacific Ring of Fire is known for frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity. Some animals can detect earthquakes before humans. Many reports suggest that animals act strangely before an earthquake, possibly sensing vibrations or changes in the Earth's electromagnetic field. Dogs, cats, and even fish have been observed behaving unusually right before earthquakes. Earthquakes can cause soil liquefaction. In certain conditions, the shaking ground can turn solid soil into a liquid-like state, causing buildings to sink or collapse. The 1964 Niigata earthquake in Japan caused widespread liquefaction, leading to the tilting of entire apartment buildings. How to stay safe during an earthquake. Knowing what to do when an earthquake strikes can save lives. If indoors, drop, cover, and hold on under a sturdy table. If outside, move away from buildings, trees, and power lines. If near the coast, move to higher ground immediately to avoid potential tsunamis. Earthquakes are one of the most unpredictable and dangerous natural disasters, but understanding them can help us stay prepared. Do you live in an earthquake-prone area? Let us know in the comments below.